Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to install mods in Minecraft 1.21.5. Let's get started. First, close Minecraft completely, open a web browser of your choice and search for Minecraft Forge, which is the mod loader we'll be using. Head to the official Forge website and download the installer for Minecraft 1.21.5. When you see ads, make sure to click and skip button to get the correct file. Next, we need some mods. Go to CurseForge.com, then select Minecraft and click Browse All Mods and use the filters on the left to set the mod loader to Forge and the game version 1.21.5. Choose a mod you like, open the Files tab, and download the correct version. Once everything is downloaded, open File Explorer and go to your Downloads folder. Double-click the Forge installer and install it. If it doesn't open, make sure Java is installed on your computer. Now open the Minecraft launcher and go to Installation and find Forge. And click Folder icon and open the mods folder and drag your downloaded mod file into it. Finally, select Forge in the launcher and click play. Once in game, click mods to confirm everything is installed. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.